yan na, magkakantaan ka mo an kanta nga bahay ko po kumarang ka mo. Sige, kantaan kita tanan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mali, sitaw, bataw, patalim, bulol na tuna, ubos albasa, at saka mayroon pa laman mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ang puno ng
Ito. Today, I'm here to all of you because I would like to share knowledge about the environmental problem we face today. I would also like to raise awareness about our environment because we are all affected, not only people, but also the different animals living in the forest. Our natural beauty is being destroyed and loss of trees. In the first quarter, I learned about the destruction of natural resources. One of the lessons we tackled was all about our environment. The reason why it is being destroyed and its effect on people and our surroundings, such as communities and forests, because of the illegal activities of people. One of the biggest environment we face today is deforestation. Because of this, our forests are continuously being destroyed. And we flood when lands from the mountains erode. They become less fertile and lose their natural beauty. Many people who depend on the forest for this livelihood are also affected. By this problem, the loss of forest causes extreme heat and dryness in our surroundings and destroys the balance of our ecosystem. It also eliminates the habitats animal, causing many species to die or become extinct. So this is one, deforestation. The effect of deforestation. The main cause of deforestation is illegal logging, which happens when people cut and sell trees for money. This activity results in environmental destruction and loss of the balance of natural, leading to calamities such as floods and landslide. To prevent our environment from being continuously destroyed, let us plant more trees, and this will not only help clean air and prevent flooding, but will also provide a home for many animals and bring beauty to our surroundings. With, with every tree plant, we strain nature's against pollution and climate change. So let us start with small steps like planting in our communities and encourage everyone to be responsible. Responsible is take care of our world. In the way we can ensure that naturals remains alive and vibrant for our future generation. And that's all. Thank you.
O, tapos na.
Picture Ana, picture.